Hello guys, welcome to my channel again. Like, this app is really killing it. I was able to write a song, like a crazy song. Like, let me show you guys. I was able to write an Ed Sheeran song with some Yoruba punchlines. Like, can you imagine if you're a musician out there, you're not good at writing songs? You can use chatgpt to write your songs and sing them. If you have a what's it called, a mentor in music, let's assume your mentor in music is Ed Sheeran, you can just write his songs, you sing like him. You can just write kind of his punchline, you know how to melody them, and you sing them, put your Yoruba punchline or whichever language you want, and you are good to go. Like, seriously, let me show you guys. So what I did was to say, write a powerful Ed Sheeran chorus, and just watch what happens. Verse 1, look at it. Can you imagine? Man, song don't set. No time to waste time. Look at bridge. Can you imagine? This channel has not actually sing any of this song, but based on this, oh god. Okay, let me do something now. You guys will see. Add some Yoruba punch lines. Just wait and see. Just wait for the Yoruba punchline. Look at it, Yoruba punchline. Look at the translation. I want someone to hug me. Okay, let me add some Igbo punchline to the chorus. Punchlines. Okay. You're writing the song again with the Igbo and Yoruba punchline. So you can, if you are good in Igbo and Yoruba, you want to rap the song, oh god. Oh my god, this is insane. Don't forget to like and share and subscribe. I'll be right